I love baking cookies, and I simply could not pass up trying out this three-tier cooling rack. It is such a great solution, especially when you're making a large batch of cookies like I constantly am, because this space-saving rack lets you cool multiple batches of cookies all at the same time. You could even use it for different cake layers, finger foods, or whatever you need. I love that it has three different tiers on here, and it's also collapsible, so it gives you the maximum amount of cooling space while taking up minimal counter space. And it's really easy to expand when you're ready to use it and then fold it down so that it's nice and easy and ready for storage whenever you're not using it. It has durable nonstick coating, which ensures that your cookies and other items release easily, and cleanup is really a breeze. There's no scrubbing needed. Plus, it's a very sturdy construction, and the mesh design allows for this optimal airflow, so it makes it really easy for all of my baked goods to be cooled every single time. So, whether you're baking cookies or cakes or prepping foods for the party, I highly recommend this Wilton Elite 3-tier cooling rack because it allows you to cool the maximum amount of items while taking up the minimum amount of counter space. Highly recommend.